Well, as we look at what's going on across Northwest Florida, heading through this Wednesday, happy hump day, by the way. Temperatures this afternoon climb up into the 90s. We'll see a few splash and dash showers and thunderstorms, much like what we saw yesterday. Certainly not going to be a washout across our area. Notice our winds are pretty light across our region, but then we'll see the sea breeze pick up this afternoon, but nothing more than about probably 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we head overnight tonight, winds go fairly calm across Northwest Florida. We could even see a very light offshore wind develop across our area heading into your Thursday morning. Meanwhile, as we look at your forecast for today, high temperatures primarily up into the 90s. Feels like temperatures up around 100 degrees, both inland and along the coastline. Feels like temperatures will be up there, but again, nothing unusual for this time of year. We'll see temperatures in Appalachia at 88, 91 in Sumatra, 89 for my friends in Port St. Joe. Tallahassee would be up there around 91 with 92 in Mariana. And over into Defuniak Springs, you'll see temperatures right around 91 degrees. Rainfall chances will stay pretty spotty over the coming days, about a 50-50 shot. For most days, maybe a little bit better chance as we head toward the weekend. We have drier air that's in place right now, but notice we'll begin to see some of that moisture creep back from the west, and that could enhance some rainfall chances as we head into the weekend. Just something that we're going to keep an eye on here across Northwest Florida. With that deeper moisture, it could lead to some slightly better rain chances, but I don't see anything that's honestly all that unusual. Not like what we saw over this past weekend. It might be just a little bit more activity, but nothing that's going to produce better or higher rain chances like we saw for this past weekend. So across Northwest Florida, you see primarily sea breeze driven showers and thunderstorms over the course of the day today. You'll see again, there's your sea breeze. You watch it right along the coastline. Some showers develop along it. But again, nothing overly impactful is expected across our region. Headed into your Thursday, we'll see some showers down towards the Forgotten Coast, and then we'll see some sea breeze showers heading into Thursday afternoon. As we move into Friday, a few spotty showers, and a similar story as we head into your Saturday, just a few sea breeze showers and thunderstorms. Rainfall totals across our area will be very dependent on whether you see some rainfall. We already saw some rain yesterday, over an inch in spots, but for the most part, I think when you average it out, most of us are going to see less than an inch. Probably most of us will see less than a ½ inch of rainfall over the course of this week. So here's that 7-day forecast. High temperatures are going to be primarily into the 80s. Low temperatures right around 80 degrees. Meanwhile, inland areas will see temperatures climbing up into the 90s with low temperatures in the 70s.